Hey folks, Troy here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing something with you that I have not seen anyone else share as of yet. This is going to be a Mailbot simple commissions review, but what I'm going to talk about mainly in this video are the features, right? What exactly can Mailbot do? So if you are sitting on the fence, right? You're wondering if this can benefit you in your current home business opportunity, or how you can use this as your very own business where you can make unlimited $100 commissions. Pay very, very close attention. And if what I share with you makes sense, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now, this works with any free email service provider. I'm in my Gmail account right now, and all I did was simply send my Mailbot an email, and in the subject line, I just hit the word task. Once I hit task, within 30 seconds, it sent me all of the features and things that you can do with Mailbot. Simple Commissions is the company, Mailbot is the product. So the very first thing, you want to set up your payment methods and confirm them. You're going to be able to do that here. Again, this is intuitive, so all you need to do is just click in the subject line, confirm payment methods, and you could set how you want to be paid up, however it is that you want. Then down here it says acknowledge payment received. When someone sends you their payment and they join you under your Mailbot, you're going to need to confirm that they made their payment. So, or that you received the payment. So same thing, subject line, you're just going to put the words payment received, and then you're going to include that person's email address, and that's it. They're going to have access and be able to get up and running with their system. Record your level 1 or level 2 payment, right? Level 1 is the $100 system. Level 2 is the one-time upgrade. Set up payment methods. So once you get your Mailbot, you're going to want to set up how you wish to be paid. That's all in here. Now, this is a biggie. Ad save opportunities. I really, really love this. You can instruct your Mailbot to promote 3 different business opportunities, and that's just at the $100 level. Again, it's highly intuitive. So what it's going to be doing is sending out emails daily, not only promoting Mailbot, but promoting up to 3 different businesses that you're currently involved in. And it takes, honestly, probably all but 5 minutes to set this up. Email address setup, you're probably already going to have that done. Like I said, I have the Gmail account. You could view your stats, right? You could see how many leads you have coming in, how many people actually bought the product, right? All that info is in here. Again, all you're doing is just sending an email, and I don't think you can get more user-friendly than this. I really, really don't. A lot of people fumble when they join a new home business because there's a whole bunch of different hoops and hurdles that they got to go through. And a lot of things are very, very technical. I am not a technical person, so I usually struggle if setting up a system is complicated. Maybe you guys can relate. I don't know. Create custom image. This is brand new, where you can create an image and apply that into your email. And these are like high-tech graphics, so I think that's pretty cool. You don't have to search for something. It'll do it for you. Create custom content, right? When you create your custom content, you're basically letting the Mailbot know what you want them to send out in the email and who you want that email to be sent to. So if you're sending it to your Mailbot leads, or if you're sending it to your primary business or businesses, those leads, the Mailbot will do it. you tell it, schedule it when you want it to send the email out and at what time. I think that's pretty cool to be able to do that quickly. Get marketing ideas. You know, you could ask your ask your Mailbot for some general ideas on how to promote your opportunity, right? Then you could confirm your broadcast. So once you tell the system what email it is that you wanted to create, you come over here and you just confirm that that's what you want the Mailbot to send out. And another big deal, you can export your leads. All right. The leads that you build through Mailbot, you can save them so that you will always have them. Now I'm going to talk about the Mailbot Simple Commissions program itself. So some of you folks might be surprised at how truly simple and easy this program is. This AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. This will automate your lead follow-ups, your sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. Income disclaimer, you know, like any other business, there are no guarantees of earnings. You know, the money that you make is really on your own personal daily efforts. But I will say within the very first 3 hours, the very first day that I joined Mailbot, I ended up earning my first $100, which I thought was pretty cool, pretty fast. And then I've had several people that have come on board since then, and I've done it really, and you're able to do it without actually having to deal with the conversations yourself. And I think that's the unique thing, is that this Mailbot is so good that it holds real-time conversations with those people that send you an email through your Mailbot email provider and service. So I like that a lot. What does that mean? That means that it frees up a lot of your time, you know, so that you can do other things that you either want to do, personal things. So just think for a second as I wrap this video up. And again, if this made sense, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Think about it. You know, how often has someone sent you an email about your product? You know, they've got questions. So you answer that one email, and then a few minutes later, they send you another question. And then 10 minutes after that, they send you another question. And you're doing your best to give them the information that they need because you want to help them make an educational decision to benefit them. 10 questions later, they don't sign up. You know, I know personally firsthand how frustrating that can be. Guess what? You don't have to do that anymore with your Mailbot personal AI assistant. So, how do you get access to this information? Simple. If you're watching this video on YouTube, go to the description and test the system out. Get a free demo, do exactly what it says. 30 seconds later, after you send my Mailbot the send info subject line, 30 seconds later it's going to respond and you could start the conversation from there. Look, thanks so much for watching this video. Once again, it's Troy. I look forward to working with many of you, and I see this thing going absolutely viral sooner than later. Hope you have an amazing day. Take care.